Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This is Vinod again. Yesterday we have indicated about Nifty, the peculiarity in the option chain on Nifty, and Nifty really, as expected, has gone up 2.5%. I hope people have made good killing today. A lot of my students, a lot of my people have made good money. They have also shared their profit statements with me, and very soon I'm going to show you some profit book by my students based on the learnings they had with us. Right now it's time for finding out new opportunities because the market has gone up, right? So mid caps, small caps will definitely catch up with the market. Now we are finding some good formation on the charts for Daawat, that is the LT foods. And once this level 27, 28 takes out with volume, one can find about 10 to 30% upside on this particular stock, and chances are it can go up to what you call 33, 35 and 40 zones in the near future. Once it crosses these zones, 25, 26 on the downside will remain to be crucial level below which one can look at placing the stop loss. The volume patterns and the MACD divergences seem to be very impressive, making the stock reliable to move higher. Want to learn all these parameters of applications and all these things? We have a program going on to be started on June 20th. Catch up with all these things so that you don't miss out on trading and making money regularly, so that you can learn what are these channels and supports, resistances, option chain, option strategies, about fundamental selection of stocks, all these things. The program is starting on June 20th, and this is a weekend session, totally 45 hours program as informed to you, and 6 hours it's going to be a complete live market session. And you could see the testimonials of people who have made this program earlier and making decent profits and earning regularly. You can also join. What more, you're getting an offer, 20,000 rupees will be the fees, 20% off on fees. Rush up to enroll by 5th June and learn all the concepts and adopt it so that your trades have to go right consistently, right? So I do look forward for your enrollment very soon. Catch up with the market so that you are on your toes to make a killing on the market. Okay, happy trading. Thank you.